Hey y'all, Jesse Jacobs here from Freeform Chiropractic. What we just did was a Freeform doctor quarterly workshop. Every quarter, we bring all of our doctors, 20 plus of them from around the Metroplex, and we do our hands-on workshops. So what we went over today was technique, soft tissue, we went over adjusting, we went over delivering value and executing value for our patients. We always strive to be the gold standard of chiropractic. In order to do that, we have to bring our best techniques, train on them here, answer any questions from our doctors, and make sure we are all delivering the highest quality of care to deliver reproducible results for our patients. So we went over some awesome stuff. Our doctors were able to learn, they were able to grow, they were able to bond, and this is our culture. We feel like we have a bond together and we're here to grow together. So if you're interested ever in joining a Freeform and being a doctor here, whether it's an associate doctor, an intern, or a franchisee, check us out. We're a family here. It's called the ʻohana, and that means in Hawaiian family. Y'all live free.